Right, FOMC ended up driving Bitcoin and finally broke out of this support and broke out of this range. We are on this current downward channel at the moment, and the question is, where is Bitcoin potentially going through next, and could it actually do the same reaction that we've just seen on gold currently today as well, with the current news announcements that they have? So we basically had core retail sales just announced at 130 and main refinancing rates. So all of these news with the unemployment claims, that's a bit earlier than usual, but basically that has pushed the gold back up into this trading range now currently from this consolidation, but previously it broke the support and potentially could come down to 1902. So really and truly we probably was looking to see something similar on Bitcoin as well, for this to push lower and even come to 24k and below. So these are the key levels we've been talking about on the channel so far. So currently what we really want to see over the next kind of period is to see if price is going to stay below this support or this region, and to see where price can go. So, you know, FOMC had ended up driving this down from yesterday's statement, and we've got our new range and our new leg that can come to 24k and potentially lower. So if we go on to the 30 minutes, and we can just see that, you know, it is looking bearish and more bearish overall, because we had our drop onto the downside here. We had our slight consolidation. It tried to break up above this resistance and then absolutely melted once more. So the question is, could we end up consolidating and then melting once more to this major support, which we've deemed as a support due to the fact of price action here on the left hand side, where if I just zoom in for you all, where it was a resistance on February 23, it was a resistance as a support but an indecision area here later in February, and then it became a support 3 times before pushing. So right now at this current moment in time, that same area could be a support. So, you know, if we look at this section, we can see every single time we have had, let's just use a cleaner Bitcoin chart for you so we can explain this. So if we look at the overall structure, this has been trading within this channel for quite some time, and now it's finally broken below that channel. So we do have a lot of room to the downside, and this could drop even further. So it's going to be a very interesting moment, because if we drop, then finally we can get some trades and get some shorts. And if we were to do some short ideas, just to give you an idea and add some value in this trading video, is if we come up to here as a trading idea, then we've got the channel as a confluence, we've got the resistance as a confluence, we've broken across these moving averages, which means the momentum has now shifted, the overall trend and moving averages has now shifted. Then we've also got the momentum moving with bearish candles, so bearish confirmation and price action. And then we also have the red moving average, which is the MA100 in our favor. And then last but not least, if we look at key levels from a support and resistance point of view, we can come down to the next key level at 24k. So don't forget guys to check out our link in the description below, where we have Bybit, where there's a $30 airdrop for you guys from Coin Bureau, only in the link in the description below. Up to $40,000 worth of trading bonuses and much more coming forward. So don't forget to take advantage. Link in the description below. Let's go. So that's the breakdown, a little bit of an update so far on the Bitcoin price and an overall. Let me know how you guys are finding the format of these videos. These seem to be really well received from you guys, and it seems like you love them. And if you do, then I'm happy to do one directly just on XRP, just on Ethereum, or what is voted the most in today's video. So comment below, and the one with the most likes, or the one that's commented the most, as long as it's in a major cap, I will do a full breakdown analysis like I did earlier in the week, and something similar like I have done today for tomorrow's video. Okay, so thanks guys, have a lovely day, see you in the next one. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Peace.